Hey, what's up geeks, this is Ian from PinoyMetric.com, and today we're trying to unbox the latest smartphone from OPPO, the OPPO A83. The OPPO A83 is the latest 18:9 smartphone from the company after the series of OPPO F5 smartphone releases last year. Priced at $9,990, it still comes with the same AI beauty technology that we loved in last year's OPPO smartphones. But we're not here to talk about the previous phones, we're here to talk about this, the OPPO A83. It's a smartphone specially designed to compete this 2018 with its untimely design and without asking too much from its prospective buyers. The OPPO A83 box is the same white packaging with the handset's marquee feature printed at the back. We are about to open it, and while we're busy, here's the handset's complete specs for your perusal. Putting the slider in the top cover out of the way will reveal the preciously sealed OPPO A83 smartphone. But we will be dealing with that one later. Let's try to dig in the usual out-of-the-box items, starting with the SIM tray ejector, user guide and documentations, the plastic slim case, the wall adapter which unfortunately does not support fast charging, the headphones, and the USB Type-A to microUSB cable. And for the purpose of having a group picture, presenting the OPPO A83 out-of-the-box items. So having all that out of the way, let's check out the star of the show, the OPPO A83. We got the champagne variant of the handset, which obviously resembles a golden hue. The bottom side is a home to the microUSB port, the speaker grill, and the 3.5mm audio jack. The volume rocker is on the left side. There's nothing on the top, while the right side comes with the SIM tray with dedicated slots and power button. The handset's back panel is very pleasing to the eyes. It has striking similarities to the OPPO F5 series except the fact that the fingerprint sensor went missing in action. Setting up the phone is just a walk in the park. And while we do that, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for you to get unboxing, gaming, and full reviews of the latest smartphones in the market. You can also click that bell icon to get notifications when we post a new video. Enrolling a face in the Face Unlock feature might be an added task, but it's highly recommended for added security and hassle-free unlocking of the device. We like the OPPO A83. So far, it has a very efficient battery and solid processor. We can't wait to share our full review soon, but for now, we are wrapping up our unboxing and first impressions of the handset. Thank you very much for watching geeks. Do follow us anywhere in social media. And as always, see you in the next one!